Masruq states that a man came to Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu and said, I have left such a man back in the masjid as interprets the Quran as per his own judgment. He interprets the words, when the sky will bring a clear smoke, that on the resurrection day the people will be brought a smoke which will hold their breath and they will feel as if they had caught cold. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, one should narrate whatever one knows, and whatever one does not know, one should say about it, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows the best. For it is also an aspect of enlightenment to say, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows the best what one does not know. Actually, when the Quraysh disobeyed the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made invocation against them, saying, afflict them with the years like those of Hazrat Yusuf times. So the famine and catastrophe struck them to such an extent as when any one of them would look at the sky, he would see only something like smoke in between the sky and the earth because of the calamity. They even consumed the bones. Then a man entered the presence of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you may please make an invocation for Mudar, for they are perishing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you have shown much courage regarding Mudar. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then made an invocation for them. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed this verse, we let loose the torment for some times, you will again do the same. Surah Dukhan, verse 15. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, then it rained on them, and when they got relief, they returned to the same condition in which they had been before. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed this verse, therefore wait you the day when the sky will bring a clear smoke, that it shall cover the people. This is a painful torment. Surah Dukhan, verse 10 to 11. The day when we will seize the greatest seizing, verily we are to take vengeance. Surah Dukhan, verse 16. It refers to the day of Badr. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6998.